Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this is a small video about indices and Elliott wave. So let's get started. You will know what I'm talking about. So yesterday I made a video about the pound USD, and this pattern here, the harmonic pattern is called, butterfly pattern, right? So how these patterns shows up, and then how you can trade using my system accordingly, right? So I'm gonna go quickly over that. So this pattern turned into this, right? It went up there, and then going to the upside, I had some trades. With this one is the first one, still a 55 pip on the 23rd, and then on the 29th, it's another 92 pip, and then another one on the 15th May on 130, and then on the 28th is 50. So this is, once you have the pattern and direction, right? The pattern tells you the direction, and then you can just keep rinse, repeat every day whenever you get the setup using my system. It's easy. Four of these trades I just showed you. Similarly, Euro USD also was making another pattern called Gertley, right? Bullish Gertley. So actually, this is the first one that the bullish girdle was in the making. It's not finished yet, right? So I caught the point C and I said, well, this thing is going to drop. And then here, the girdle pattern will be finished. But you can trade this leg as well, right? Nobody's stopping you, right? So I said, okay, I'm going to trade this. So I just traded this all the way, several trades. And then what happened? It came down exactly where I said that it's going to come down, make the girdle. And after that, I said, okay, this will happen, right? So once the girdle is finished here at point D, then it goes up, right? So what happened to this chart? Look at it. It went up exactly the way I said that it's going to go up. And then I had several trades into this as well, right? So this is one of them, right? So your USD 7-minute chart, so it's 20, 30, 35 pip. This was just the entry. Usually I don't record the 35 pip and all of that. But you can see here that on 15 May, it's 120 pip trade, your USD. Right. So these are a couple of trades. And that was the entry, I guess, that end up with 120 pip trade. And there were several other Euro USD trade, which I can't find it right now. I kind of lost it. So this is what the all the like harmonic patterns, how they show up and how you can trade very easily, like very lucrative way, this way using my system. Now I just want to show you another way of trading through Elliott wave. Elliott wave course is also available on my website. Both courses, harmonic pattern and Elliott wave. Now look at this one. I said that okay, this is wave one, this is wave two. There is no harmonic pattern here. This is Elliott wave, right? So wave 1, 2, 3, and after that comes 4, and then 5 to the upside. So what happened to this from 3 to 4? Going to the upside, I had several trades, but I'm not going to show that. But this one, this is what I'm going to show, that what happened to this chart here from 3 to 4. Watch, boom. From 3 to 4, it came down exactly. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just now, recorded this chart a little while ago, right? So it came down here, and if we bounce from here, if I have reversal candle and one blue candle, the game will start to the upside. And it will start, and then I will take long, all the way to the upside wherever it goes, right? This is S&P 500. At the same time, I made the Nasdaq chart as well. And well, this is the S&P trades that I took to coming to the downside. This is the one. And the second today, yes, this is the one, right? So very easy. Once you have the direction, Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, they decide the direction, right? They give you the direction that, okay, so now wave 4 supposed to be coming down. So I had a couple of short. Similarly, Nasdaq chart, I made this one also on 18th May. That's 1.618 target for wave 3. So it started to come down. So I said, okay, this one also will come down. This is a black channel, and wave 4, 38%. Now, this one went up a little bit more to the upside. Watch, see? And then it start to come down. So I made the chart that, that was the chart, and then this is the chart again that I made. And eventually it's supposed to be coming down, and it came down here. Right now, where's the chart that I had? Oh, yeah, this is the one. So now the channel is not hit yet. The 38% is not reached, but what happens is that the price is getting stopped here with this level. Very strong, big level, weekly high is 184.87. So let's see if it drops a little bit more. It should, But if not, and if I get a reversal candle right here and the game start to the upside tomorrow morning, I will be taking longs, right? So this system that I have, that blue candles, red candles, they give me is precise, entries, points as well, right? So this is what happened, and then today's trade on Nasdaq is, you see that? Not much, but something, right? I had some other, from the top, but I don't know where they are. So this wave 4, as it is very dangerous to trade, by the way, and one should wait until it is finished and then try to trade. Excuse me. Wave 5. So wave 3 is the most lucrative one. Then wave 4, you should wait, and then, but at least that you can see that how I predicted these things, harmonic patterns and these wave 4, and then I'm saying that they're gonna go up for wave 5, right? Why? Because of these patterns that they repeat themselves, right? Now these courses, I teach all of this mumbo jumbo. One-on-one course is one thing, but a lot of people don't like to talk or have a conversation, right? So I said, okay, I'm going to make the videos as well, and then make the video course, right? And I made that, and then they are on my website right here, courses. Under the courses, you have a creative harmonic pattern course and Elliott wave course. These are both of these are very powerful courses. And you will see that you will learn not only that how to find these patterns, but also how to exactly calculate using the fib. Right, using the fib tool properly is another very important aspect of this trading business. Right, a lot of people I saw so many times that they use wrongly, the Fibonacci tool, and then end up losing. Right. So I have 3 videos only on covering Fibonacci, that Fibonacci retracement, extension, and expansion, all aspects, and how to use it to find and then measure harmonic patterns, as well as the Elliott wave, exactly the retracements and the targets as well. It's very, very important. All right, so this is what I just wanted to show, that this is what happened. I'm trading most of my trades are, if I usually don't show, but behind those trades are some kind of like harmonic patterns, Elliott wave, because these patterns and waves, they give you a turning point. So once you have a turning points, and then as soon as the turn start to happen, and then very first entry, you take it, and that's the one that it is most lucrative, and it goes the distance, and you can easily end up 70, 80, 100 pip trade. That's how I'm doing, right? So just wanted to share with you guys that if you are interested about learning these patterns, then the courses are available on my website. I will be making videos as I go along and keep adding the videos for your benefit. And I don't care if it's 50, 60, or 100 videos, whatever, but I will keep adding those videos, and you will have the access. Once you get it, then you have the access, and whatever the improvement that I do with these courses or new videos, you will receive them as well. All right. So just wanted to share with you guys, and this is it for now. And I still have a couple of openings that I can go for in one-on-one. All right. So if you're interested in going for one-on-one, right here is one-on-one available, right? And whoever, again, my son said that, yeah, okay, whoever will do the one-on-one will get my CTS5 live robot for free, right? So why? Because then you know exactly what to do. That's why I'm giving out for free. Separately, even if somebody wants to buy it, I'm not giving it, because they don't know. If you are not my subscriber or previous subscriber, then you don't know how to use the system. So if you do not know, then you cannot use the CTS5 as well. You must know, and if you don't, then it's better to sign up for one-on-one and get that EA for free anyway, right? With the same price, but 10-hour course. Then you will become master of the whole trading business, and you will know exactly how to use that CTS5 alarm, right? So this is it for now. And today, Thursday, right? One more day, Friday tomorrow. Be careful. Friday is always very tricky, right? So talk to you guys later then.